All right, it's time to kick off the winter projects on the Ferrari 308. It was a good summer of driving, but my maintenance is sort of piling up on me, so I've got to get going on it. That's my job for the winter. So first order of business is to replace the water pump. It started dripping out of the shaft seal. That's a common weakness of the original and early water pumps. So it's already been rebuilt once, and so I just bought a new one. Not cheap, but decided I would do that instead of rebuilding it again. So we are pulling the air cleaner, so that means you have to take all of the trumpets for the carburetors off and all that, so that we can get down there to it. And the second project is going to be just a general major service. Major service for me means doing the timing belts. We'll also be doing spark plugs, and we'll be doing oil change. So yeah, that's stay tuned. That's what we'll be working on through the course of the winter. Oh, and I have to get the most of it done because I'm bringing it into the paint shop middle of January to have about the front third of the car repainted. It's got some stone chips and some surface rust on the front fender that needs to be taken care of. So my paint guy and I decided that we would, the rest of the paint is in great shape, so we're just gonna repaint the nose of the car up to the A-pillar. So anyway, so I gotta get all this done before we can bring it to the paint shop. Stay tuned.